Welcome to uKnowva. Go to your uKnowva instance. Log in with the admin user. Go to the extension store and search for Turbohire plugin. Click on Install button. After the installation is completed, the configuration window will open. Publish the plugin before you save. If you don't have client ID and client's secret, leave it blank and then save it. To check it's working, go to uKnowva Recruitment and click on Post a Job. Fill the fields given for posting a new job in recruitment. After completion, post it. Then go under New Posted Jobs option. Click on Shortlist CVs from Turbohire. The Turbohire site will open and you can see the new posted job uKnowva is also showing on Turbohire. Then close the Turbohire site and get back to uKnowva where the new job is posted. Then go to Job Details by click on Job Name. Refer one candidate by click on Refer a Candidate. Fill the details of candidate in showing pop-up window like name, email address, telephone, attached CV or resume, etc. Then submit the application. Again, go back to the job list and refresh it. You can see the applicants is increased. Click on the number showing in applicants or else go to My Applicants. Click on View button, shows front of applicant's name. You can see the details about applicant and loading icon on the screen. That means CV parsing is not completed. For that, click on Parse CV with Turbohire button. You can see all details is display on your screen. Mention in applicant CV with the help of Turbohire CV parsing tool. You can also see the details by clicking on Turbohire link shows on screen. There you can view candidates and shortlist them from Turbohire. And then you can see the shortlist label under that applicant details along with the status change to shortlisted in uKnowva.